Just picked up a Bose A20 headset. It's a GA dual plug with Bluetooth. Here's the box it comes in. So, cut the tape off already. Here, registration. Basic use instructions. Instruction manual. Here we have it. So it comes in this plastic bag.
Catch my breath when you say my name. I feel tight in my chest. Can't handle the space. I need you here by my side. You make me sweat.
That's about it. No frills package. Pretty much everything that you see online. Nothing more, nothing less. So inside this well-made box, it's just a kind of a molding for the headsets to go inside of. There's a little spot for extra batteries. You got the headset, controller, you get 2 batteries. It looks like a auxiliary plug. Right in there.
Acting like a fool, I'm on the other side. You're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you.